When you're facing a health challenge, it's natural for fear to surface. It can arrive quietly or rush in like a wave, and suddenly, everything feels uncertain. Let's just sit with that for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. Fear has a way of taking hold not just in our minds, but in our bodies. You might feel it as a tightness in your chest, a knot in your stomach, or a constant sense of unease. It can cloud your thoughts, making it difficult to find clarity or peace. Your emotions may feel fragile, easily shifting from hope to despair. This is a completely normal human response. Your feelings are valid, but they don't have to lead you. Choose faith in these moments. It is not about pretending you are not scared or ignoring the reality of your situation. Instead, it's a gentle shift in your focus. It's choosing to believe that there is a strength available to you, even when you feel weak. It is a quiet whisper that reminds you, you do not walk this journey alone. Even in the silence, even in the waiting, you are held and supported in ways you might not be able to see right now. Strength isn't always loud or dramatic. Sometimes it grows in the quiet, unseen moments. The choice to get out of bed, the decision to drink a glass of water, the small prayer for peace. So how do we choose faith when fear feels so overwhelming? It begins with small, gentle steps. When you feel that familiar rush of anxiety, before you react, just pause. Take one slow breath in and a long, steady breath out. This simple act creates a small space between the fear and your response, a space where you can choose. Try speaking words of encouragement to yourself, even if they feel difficult to believe at first. Phrases like, "I have the strength I need for this moment," or "I am being cared for." Your own voice can be a powerful source of comfort. You are not alone in this. Another practice is to intentionally focus on what is still good. Even on the hardest days, it could be the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the taste of your morning tea, or the kindness of a message from a friend. Acknowledging these small graces can anchor you in the present moment. Remember to take this one day at a time. Some days will be harder than others, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's presence. Simply focus on getting through today with as much grace and peace as you can muster. Tomorrow will have its own strength. Choosing faith isn't a one-time decision. It's a daily practice, a gentle moment-by-moment decision. It's like tending to a small garden. Some days you'll have more energy to water it, and other days you may only be able to pull a single weed. Every small act matters. Be patient with yourself. Healing, whether of the body, mind, or spirit, is not a linear path. There will be progress, and there will be setbacks. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a dear friend walking this path alongside you. Your feelings are valid, but they don't have to lead you. As we close our time together, take another slow, deep breath. Remember that you are surrounded by a love that is bigger than your fear. You have everything you need to navigate this very moment. Faith is not about having all the answers. It's about trusting that even in the unknown, you are not forsaken. It grows through small daily choices to look for the light, no matter how dim it may seem. Take this one day at a time. If you'd like more gentle reminders and faith-based support for your journey, feel free to subscribe. You're in our thoughts and prayers. Be well.